come with me on a work trip as a software engineer. Firstly, I packed all the essential stuff. I was only there for 2 days, so I didn't need to pack too much. Then I got Uber to the airport. We checked in quickly and hopped on the plane. This was probably the smallest plane I've ever been on. Landed in Edinburgh, met up with the other graduates, and we headed to the hotel. We then met up with some of the other graduates from across the country, and they gave us some lunch. Then it was time for some team building games to get us all networking. It felt like I was at a uni games night again. Excuse some of the faces I was making. Then we analysed our behavioural profiles. It turns out I'm an optimistic and outgoing type of person. After that, it was time for dinner. Dinner was actually quite good. We were all downstairs talking, networking, eating. The food was decent. There was an open bar tab, so there was plenty of drinks. Everyone was vibing, getting along. Later, I decided to end the night with a little sauna and swim session. Then the next morning, got ready, had breakfast. Breakfast was very good. I was hungry, as you can see. We then continued to work on our behavioural profiles. We talked about our goals and how to best make use of different personalities. But yeah, overall, it was very good experience. Headed back to the airport and flew back home and got Uber back home.